Morning world. Let me show you something pretty special. Here we go. There. A cloud. Well, pieces of a cloud. It's not fog. It's a cloud. And it's amazing. It's morning. And we had a lot of rain yesterday. I don't think it rained overnight, but anyway, it's quite humid. And there you go. We have the clouds down. Well, I can't actually show you further. I'll try. Beyond the trees, there's more. But it's an absolutely amazing sight to see the clouds so low. And all the crickets are chirping happily. What a beautiful morning. And you can hear the river down there. Back to the cloud. I'm just completely amazed. I've seen this before, but it's been a long time. So, wow. Okay, let's go down on the little swaying bridge and let's have a look at some dewdrops. I don't know if the shimmer comes up on the camera, but everything is looking glorious this morning. Oops, it's a bit slippery. Now, where is this furious river? Here we are. Hello, bird. Everything is so green now, finally. It's beautiful. And let's have a look onto the other side. Because of the trees, everything looks, well, the river looks much narrower than it actually is. But, yay. Okay, I'm gonna go back to look at the clouds. Let's have a look at some flowers as well. I'm peeking back to the cloud. Alright, well, I hope you liked it. I sure did. And I'll stay here and stare at it for a while longer. Wish you all a wonderful day. Bye!